Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today, we're bringing you the ultimate guide to the 5 best dryer machines on the market. Whether you're looking for power, efficiency, or space-saving options, we've got something for everyone. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Dessiz Compact Laundry Dryer. The compact laundry dryer, small in size, big on performance. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or as a secondary dryer, this compact dryer makes laundry days simpler and more convenient. The Dessiz compact dryer holds up to 11 lbs of laundry and packs powerful drying capabilities in a sleek, space-saving design. Plus, it's loaded with thoughtful features to make your laundry routine more efficient. One of the standout features is the built-in UV sterilization technology. This added layer of protection ensures that clothes, especially baby clothes, come out fresh and sanitized, giving you peace of mind. For added safety, the dryer automatically stops when the door opens, helping to prevent accidents and making it safe for homes with kids and pets. The triple dander filtration system efficiently captures lint and other particles, so your laundry comes out cleaner and your home stays fresh. With reverse tumble action, clothes dry faster and more evenly. No more damp spots or clumping, just fresh, dry laundry every time. So, the Dessiz Compact Laundry Dryer is more than just a dryer, it's the perfect blend of power, safety, and convenience for any home. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient solution for your laundry needs, this compact dryer is a game changer. Number 4. Rooowooo Portable Dryer Machine. This compact dryer is designed for small spaces but delivers powerful performance. Whether you're in an apartment, dorm room, RV, or just want a convenient laundry solution, this dryer has you covered. Let's explore its features and see what makes it stand out. With a 10-pound drying capacity for wet clothes and an 850-watt power rating, this dryer can reach temperatures up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat ensures quick, thorough drying. And if you're in a hurry, you can put in a smaller load, around 5.5 pounds or less, for faster drying. This Rooowooo dryer comes with 5 different drying modes to suit your needs. Cooling mode 0 to 20 minutes, ideal for cooling clothes down. Anti-wrinkle mode 20 to 60 minutes, helps remove wrinkles. Standard clothing mode 60 to 120 minutes, great for half loads. Bulk clothing mode 120 to 200 minutes, for larger items or full loads. Cooling refresh mode 0 to 80 minutes, runs cool air to freshen clothes. The Rooowooo dryer is built to last. It's equipped with a multi-stage filtration system to capture lint and pet hair. The high-quality glass door, stainless steel tub, and magnetic door lock ensure safe, secure operation. Plus, this dryer is designed to operate quietly, so you can enjoy a peaceful atmosphere while it works. The portable dryer machine includes temperature and moisture sensing technology and overheating protection. It automatically adjusts to keep your fabrics safe from overheating, shrinkage, or damage. Your clothes are in good hands. Designed for small spaces, this portable dryer is compact and easy to fit in tight spots like apartments, dorms, and RVs. With dimensions of 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches and a net weight of 32 lbs, it's easy to move and doesn't take up much room. So, if you're looking for a compact, powerful, and versatile dryer, the Rooowooo Portable Dryer Machine might be perfect for you. Its multiple drying modes, quality construction, and space-saving design make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a small but effective laundry solution. Number 3. Rovsun Portable Clothes Dryer. The Rovsun Portable Clothes Dryer is powerful yet space-saving. It has 1400 watts of drying power, and can handle up to 14.5 pounds of wet clothes, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, and tight spaces where a full-size dryer just isn't an option. Let's start with what's most important in a dryer: speed and effectiveness. This dryer reaches a maximum temperature of 149 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can dry your clothes quickly even on a rainy day. For the best results, though, it's recommended to dry around 9 pounds of clothes at a time for a faster cycle. The Rovsun dryer is built for durability with a stainless steel tub that's designed to last. It also has forward and reverse tumble actions to prevent tangling, reduce wrinkles, and keep your clothes feeling soft and fluffy. And here's a great safety feature: if you open the door while it's running, it automatically stops. This is a simple but important touch that ensures you and your family are safe. The Rovsun dryer is also super user-friendly, with an LCD touchscreen that lets you control everything. With 6 drying modes, including auto, manual, eco, delicate, normal, and heavy duty, you can choose the best option for your clothes and let the dryer handle the rest. Whether you're drying delicates or tackling a heavy load, the Rovsun has you covered. One of the best things about the Rovsun dryer is its portability. Weighing only 49 pounds and measuring 23.6 inches by 17.1 inches by 27.5 inches, it fits easily into small spaces. It even has built-in handles, so you can move it around as needed. It also comes with a wall mounting kit, so if you're really tight on floor space, you can mount it and free up some room. So, that's the Rovsun portable clothes dryer. With its compact design, powerful drying capabilities, and easy-to-use touchscreen, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to maximize space and efficiency. If you're tired of slow air drying and need something that fits into a small space, this dryer might just be the perfect solution. Number 2. Doredo Portable Clothes Dryer. The clothes dryer is perfect for small spaces, apartments, dorms, or anywhere you need a quick, easy drying solution. The Doredo Portable Dryer has 6 drying modes: cotton, underwear, wool, down, fresh, and express. Whether you're drying delicate fabrics or heavier items, you can select the perfect mode with a quick touch. The LED display also shows the remaining time, so you know exactly when your laundry will be ready. One thing I love about this dryer is how versatile it is for small items. It's perfect for drying baby clothes, underwear, t-shirts, pajamas, towels, and more. Plus, it has a drying capacity of 6.6 pounds, so you can get multiple items done in one go without taking up too much space. The Doredo dryer is equipped with a stainless steel inner cylinder that's durable and designed to handle heat efficiently. The magnetic suction door keeps everything sealed while drying and makes it easy to open and close. The Doredo Portable Clothes Dryer offers 4 ways to set it up. You can go stacked, freestanding, under the counter, or even wall-mounted. No matter how small your space, this dryer can fit right in and get the job done. This dryer doesn't just dry your clothes, it's designed to reduce wrinkles thanks to its bi-directional rotating drum. This feature helps clothes tumble evenly, so they come out looking fresh and wrinkle-free. And it's smart too. The intelligent system uses a temperature sensor that adjusts the drying time based on the clothes' temperature. So you're getting efficient drying without the risk of overheating your clothes. Safety is key, especially if you have kids around. The Doredo Portable Dryer comes with a digital touch panel and a child lock feature for added peace of mind, keeping those little hands from accidentally changing settings. So, if you're looking for a powerful, convenient, and space-saving way to dry your clothes at home, the Doredo Portable Clothes Dryer is definitely worth considering. From quick drying to gentle care for delicate items, this compact dryer has everything you need. Number 1. Weili DV80WL1V Drying Machine. The Weili drying machine is an 8 kg air-vented tumble dryer that's ideal for both households and hotels. From powerful drying performance to smart Wi-Fi control, this dryer brings a new level of convenience and efficiency to your laundry routine. Let's check it out. One of the standout features of the Weili DV80WL1V is its efficient drying performance. The drum rotates evenly in all directions, giving you perfectly dried clothes every time. And with an 8 kg capacity, it's perfect for everything from small loads at home to larger hotel linens. Imagine being able to control your dryer from anywhere. With smart Wi-Fi control, you can monitor and manage your drying cycles right from your smartphone. Start, pause, and check on the drying process from anywhere, perfect for multitasking and busy schedules. The Weili DV80WL1V also prioritizes eco-friendliness. With an energy efficiency rating of Class E, this dryer helps you reduce energy consumption while still delivering powerful drying performance. Another great feature? Multiple language support. This dryer is designed for international use, making it versatile and accessible with 5 language options to choose from. Whether it's for home or hotel use, the Weili DV80WL1V is flexible enough to fit into any space. Its compact dimensions of 23.54 by 21.85 by 33.27 inches allow for easy installation, and its air-vented drying type ensures optimal airflow and efficient drying. And here's some peace of mind: the Weili DV80WL1V comes with a 1-year warranty and free spare parts. Whether you need assistance or replacement parts, you're covered for an entire year. So, is the Weili DV80WL1V drying machine the right choice for you? With its smart Wi-Fi control, efficient drying performance, and international versatility, this dryer brings a lot of value to the table. Whether you're upgrading your home laundry or outfitting a hotel, it's a fantastic addition. And there you have it, the 5 best dryers of the year. Whether you need a compact option for tight spaces or a high-capacity dryer for family use, these picks have something for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more appliance reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.